Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make my super easy and delicious chile verde. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of pork shoulder, 4 hatch green chiles, 6 tomatillos, 2 habaneros or jalapenos, 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, salt, and black pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by roasting our chiles. Okay, so we're just going to allow them to get nice and short all around. Alrighty, and once our chiles are nice and roasted all around, we're going to transfer them to a plastic bag. Okay, we're going to close our bag and allow our chiles to sweat. Meanwhile, we roast our tomatillos along with our habaneros or jalapenos and onion. Okay, and after a couple minutes, flip over the tomatillos and allow that side to char. And once our onion and habaneros are done, we're going to transfer to blender cup and just continue waiting for the tomatillos. And once our tomatillos are done, we're going to transfer them to the blender cup and just continue waiting for our chiles before we peel them. Okay, and after a couple minutes, our chiles should be ready to be peeled. I'm just going to get them out of the bag and just peel it. I mean, they're too hard, you can use a paper towel and then just remove the stem. And I like to keep the seeds and then transfer to blender cup. And once we have our chiles in a blender cup, now we can make our salsa verde. So blender cup, we're also going to add our garlic clove, 1.5 cups of water. And now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, now we can make our chile verde. To make our chile verde, we're going to grab our pan, set it at medium-high heat, and once hot, we're going to add our pork and just cut it into about 1/2 inch thick. So we're just going to throw it in. We're going to season with salt and black pepper. I'm using 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. So we're just going to mix it. Okay, so just mix it all together. And once mixed, we're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, we're going to uncover. And we're just going to allow for all of its broth to evaporate. Okay, and once our meat is dry, we're going to add a little bit of oil or lard. And we're just going to lightly fry it for about 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we're going to add our salsa. Going to add a little more water to get everything from my blender. Here we're going to add the ground cumin, oregano. I'm also going to add a little bit more black pepper and salt. And now we're just going to mix it. Just bring it to a simmer. Ready? And once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. We're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, our chile verde should be done. Of course, we're just going to check our meat, make sure that it is nice and tender. And as you can see, it should fall apart super easy. So now this is ready, so we can turn it off and get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So of course you can serve your chile verde in burritos, tacos, however you want to serve it. Today I'm just going to enjoy it with a side of rice and beans. And I'm just going to top it with a little queso cotija. And a little bit of cilantro. And of course squeeze a little lime juice, but just like that. Serve it with the side of tortillas, and now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy and so delicious. And of course, if you don't like spicy, skip on the habanero and just keep it like that. But for me, this is always the best. So I'm just going to grab my tortilla. Of course, my chile verde. The meat is so tender. So hope you give it a try. Cheers and enjoy. The best, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious chile verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.